Hey guys, it's Babujan Tech Review here. So I'm sitting here at my PC that I built last year around April. I was planning to do a quick overview of it with some spec and some stuff, but I filmed a bunch of B footage for it but never used them. So today I'm sitting here, I just realized, you know what, I'll just give you guys a quick tour of it. I like it a lot and I've been using it for a while. So let's get started, I'll show you guys. Alright, so let's start with the monitor. This is a monoprice dark matter monitor. It's a 34-inch, 3440 by 1440p monitor. Pretty nice monitor. Color uniformity, I think it's the 10-bit panel, etc. Really good. 144 refresh rate. I still have the little light up here by BenQ up there. It's a really nice light. And then down here, just real quick, accessory-wise, I have the drop keyboard. This is just the white version. Has 3 LED level. Let me see. And then I have a Glorious Gaming mice that I started using. I think this is the Model O. Pretty small and nice. RGB. And then here we have a little mouse bungee that I use to play a lot of game with it. I just play mostly just actually Warzone when I play with my friends and colleagues. But here is the gaming PC itself. So this is a Corsair 4000X case, and this is a tempered glass case, as you can see. We got some Corsair RGB fan up here, fan over there, and then up top we have magnetic dust cover here. And I have an NZXT all-in-one cooler. This is not the LCD one, but I think it's the X53 if I remember correctly, or whatever. It just have LED on it. The motherboard is an ASUS motherboard. Is a Corsair Vengeance. I got 32 gigs in there, some wide sleeving cable, and then this is an EVGA 3070 for the win. And down there, my kid make me a little logo portion, and I put it out there. I believe the power supply is also an EVGA power supply. I don't remember, but I'll put it on the screen. I'll put the little PC part pickers on the list so you guys can see that. But effectively, that is the setup. And also the GPU is an AMD 5950, I believe. That's an 8-core 16-thread. Again, I don't remember all the spec, it's been a while. But I had it now for over a year, and mostly I use this for gaming. And I really like it, gaming, and actually I've been running it for a while actually. You can see here, when I don't use it, it's a little bit dusty. Last time I cleaned this is probably 3 or 4 months ago. And been using it for running actually Ethereum 24/7 actually, if I don't play game. So when I do play game, I don't do that obviously. Still have my old, pardon the mess, still have my old Logitech, 2.1 system now. Pretty good. Headphone, of course, is the HC650, and then the Blue Yeti. Yeah, in general, really good setup. Never had any issues with it. Running Windows 11 beta right now, or whatever it's called, preview. So one of the things that I realized after the fact is that I decided to buy different component for RGB. This is my first RGB build, and it's kind of my mistake. But again, Corsair fan, you know, EVGA, and I got NZXT, and I got ASUS for the motherboard. So together it is a mess. I used to use 4 different software to manually control and set up different things. And then there are a few software out there that kind of tie them all together. And actually, I found this one, I don't know, through TikTok or somewhere. Someone told me about this program here called Signal RGB. Not paid sponsor or anything. As you can see, I'm using the free version. There's also a paid version, which gives you a lot more effect. But the free version gives you plenty of, including a way for you to do some, what you call, audio matching, like audio, you know, spectrogram kind of thing. But you can see right there, that's one of it right now. Let me change it to, like, for example, sunset, sunrise, whatever, and let's do radiant. Really nice. They tie all the components together, and you can actually do cool stuff like layout. You can set it up here where all the colors are. So there's some free ones. Look at the install one that I got, but there's a bunch of different ones here. You can see. I'm gonna go ahead and go to Dribble real quick, and you can kind of see the nice effect. Pretty solid. Again, my only recommendation is if you're ever going to build an RGB rig, just make sure you try to stick with the same brand and make everything easy. But good thing is these software like here are making things a lot easier now. So that's nice. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. I just want to do a quick little overview of it. I'm not going to do any detail benchmarks or anything like that. Don't feel like doing it each day, but I hope you just kind of enjoy what I'm looking at. I like the color and everything. So yeah, pretty nice setup. Really quiet, as you can hear when I'm filming it. So yeah, I'm gonna do a little bit more of these relaxed content, kind of being a little bit lazy lately. If you like it, just subscribe and stay tuned for more future video. All right, thanks.